friends. What's your name, first of all?
Francesca.
And where do you live? In Where do you live? Okay, okay. Show us your house.
This is the back. It has an F on it.
And what does the F stand for?
Francesca.
Okay, and let's see the other side. Okay, what are these here?
Those are the M&Ms.
Oh, very, very nice.
And this is the side.
This is the side.
With
Very
stars
nice.
on it.
Stars on it. Okay.
And snow.
Okay. Oh, look at that side.
The front.
Oh, what do we have out front? Show me.
A snowman, a gingerbread that lives there, and a star.
And what's on the inside? Look at the inside of that house.
It's marshmallows inside.
Wow.
And
what
then
about
those
this
are
side?
sprinkles and the top.
Wow, and you did that all by yourself?
No, with Mommy and Daddy. With
No,
Mommy
and
Uncle Smitty.
Uncle Smitty. Well, did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I love you, Uncle Smitty.
Thanks, Francie. Thank you.